Mohammed bin Salem, FIA President, Carmelo Sandy Barros, President of the Senate, Christian Gakwaya, President of the Rwanda Automobile Club, FIA members, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. A good morning to you all. I welcome you to Rwanda. We are very happy to have you with us. I want to thank the FIA under the leadership of Mohammed bin Salem for choosing our country as the venue for this meeting, as you mark your 120th anniversary. We are particularly honored to host the prize-giving ceremony later this evening. For the very first time, the FIA General Assembly is being held in Africa, and this is a very important milestone which signals the goal of the motorsport industry to connect directly with the fans and aspiring drivers in Africa. All over the world, motorsport is recognized for its elite performance, focus on safety, and cutting-edge technology. Behind these high standards is the stewardship and the governance of FIA and its member organizations, which guide the future of racing. I would like to commend FIA's sustainability initiatives. Formula E is a good example where we are seeing the development of electric vehicle technology. In Rwanda, we are pleased to be working closely with the Federation to develop a cross-car manufacturing facility. With the FIA's blueprint, students from Rwanda Polytechnic produced a low-cost prototype, the first of its kind, which I was very happy to see last night. This highlights the importance of a skilled workforce to unlock more career pathways in motorsport in Africa, such as engineering and design. In a world where various forces are pushing us apart, the values of sportsmanship should bring us even closer together. It all comes down to respect and giving everyone the chance to contribute where they can. That's why it is so important for countries in every region and every income level to have a fair shot at hosting international sporting events. Sometimes when a non-traditional host country is announced, it is as if we did something